Hi there, angels. I am here with December's Universal Yums box. I'll put a link below to Universal Yums. If you use that link, you'll get a discount. You'll get a discount. Don't you want a discount? December's treats are from everywhere. Usually they pick just one country, but because it is the holiday season for so many holidays all around the globe, yeah, they did a holiday box. So it says Yumderful. It's the most yumderful time of the year. And Holiday Adventure is what this one's called. Whoa! There we go for a thumbnail. So Holiday Adventure. And it looks like there is a lot of goodies. Let me try and find them in the book so I can read you exactly what they are. Alright. First up is this Snack Gold Raspberry Potato Chip, which I do believe that I've had this before in one of the other boxes. It looks very familiar to me, so I'm almost positive I have seen that before. Next up is this chocolate coated biscuits with a cream filling. Could be tasty. Oh, it looks like they put 2 of them in there. Nice. Okay, next up is trying to do it in order by the book. Make life easier for me. Okay, we're just gonna do the search and do it this way. Okay. Here is a black truffle flavored potato chip. I don't know if I like that or not. Black truffle. Maybe. This one is a cheese flavored potato chip. Mental cheese flavored. I guess that, I don't even know. I really don't even know. I couldn't even begin to tell you. I will be reviewing these products over my review channel, which is always linked below if you're interested in seeing what I thought of them. That's where you can hear and see my opinion on these products and watch me taste test them. Next up, there is a, gosh, the writing is so light colored. It's a wafer with lemon, orange, and strawberry cream. That could be really good. Lemon, orange, and strawberry. This sounds delightful. Okay, this right here is a crispy cookies with cranberry. That might be good too. Crispy cookies with cranberry. Some of the stuff might be a little bit too crunchy for me to eat, but thankfully I have loved ones that I can gift this stuff to. Those stuff that I can't eat or won't eat. This is a milk chocolate bar with coffee flavor. Could be interesting. Could very well be interesting. Looks like they have another one. This one's a white chocolate with cinnamon cookie pieces. Very festive, very holiday-like. I bet that's going to be really good. Okay, this big bad boy here is a gingerbread with black currant icing. That could be yummy. Oh, I think it could be really, really, really good. This one is a wheat pretzel snack with a garlic filling. That could be interesting. Let's see. Next up is a roasted chicken flavored potato chip. Interesting. Very interesting. Here is a phyllo dough sweet with syrup, cashews, and pistachios. It's a mixed baklava, which I have gotten this before in one of the other boxes. I remember it quite well. Oh, next up are these Ubi shortbread cookies. There's 2 of them. I don't know what Ubi is. U-B-E. Ubi? I think that's how it's said. Ubi. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Here is a waffle with apple strudel cream filling. Apple strudel, that'll be really tasty. I can taste it now. Okay. Next up, we have a milk chocolate with roasted almonds in it, candy bar. That's gonna be tasty. We also have a wheat snack with fennel seeds. Interesting. Ooh, that one's gonna be super crunchy. Very crunchy. We have here a little cake filled with walnuts and honey. And there's 2 of these bad boys right here. And next up we have, let's see here. Okay, where is it? Okay, this one is a white chocolate with raspberries, cherries, blueberries, and strawberries. That's gonna be good. Here is a cookies with a melon cream filling. Melon cream filled cookies. Maybe. Possibly could be yummy. And then last, but most certainly not least, if I can, here it is. Pretzel cookies with caramel almond filling. Oh. So yeah, it looks like there's actually quite a lot of tasty, delicious looking treats. Lots of sweet yummies, lots of savory yummies. So I'm excited to delve in. Let me know if you have heard of any of these products before. And also let me know in the comment section if there was something that I said that was in this box that sounded really intriguing to you. Something that would be like, ooh, I would want to try that. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, I'll put a link below to Universal Yum. Go check out Universal Yums if you haven't already. It's my favorite subscription box, and I think it is certainly worth diving into if you have an adventurous sense of taste buds and you like seeing what other countries enjoy flavor wise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.